All right, so make sure your area on your abdomen is clean and dry.
Okay.
And you don't want to put it where your belt is because that can interfere.
Okay.
And you can see the tubing can go into that notch.
Okay.
So hold that. And I can put this up next to you.
Okay.
And remember that both finger and thumb on the smooth button areas. And 1, 2, 3. Don't pull away. Click it again. There you go. And I'm going to press right here in the middle.
Deb, something's now attached to me.
Exactly. Congratulations. Pull out. You're going to be pulling the needle out. There you go. And congratulations, you are now pumping. How did it feel?
Don't do this at home.
Very good.
All right.
So with your blood glucose readings you'll get from your meter, you will be able to bolus or give yourself a little bit of insulin every time you eat, especially those carb-containing foods. And you will be counting your carbohydrates for all of your meals and snacks. Anytime you go out to eat, you will be bringing your, obviously you're connected to your pump and your meter.
So taking pager out of scabbard. And replacing with my insulin pump in my life, the diabetic.